Today's Wi-Fi networks are under pressure to perform. Why? Interference. But not from microwave ovens, cordless phones, or Bluetooth signals. It's Wi-Fi itself. Traditional Wi-Fi access points flood transmissions in all directions. Signal that goes anywhere except to the intended receiver is just interference. Complete control of your Wi-Fi signal is the solution. If you can focus Wi-Fi signals only where and when they're needed, interference decreases and signal strength increases. This means larger coverage areas, faster data rates, and more devices connecting at the same time. This focus and control solves one of the biggest challenges in Wi-Fi today: capacity. Wi-Fi uses a shared medium, just like a group of people trying to get on an escalator at the same time. Instead of a wire that carries data to each device, Wi-Fi channels are shared among all devices. Devices have become smaller and increased in number, creating performance problems for everyone. It all comes down to physics. Enter Ruckus BEAMFLEX. BEAMFLEX is the only adaptive Wi-Fi antenna technology that focuses and controls Wi-Fi signals. By increasing signal and decreasing interference, Wi-Fi performance is improved dramatically. This means more efficient connections and more room for more users, giving them a better Wi-Fi experience. It also means fewer access points to buy and deploy, fewer wired drops, and fewer switch ports needed, all while improving performance to each individual user. Here's how it works. Through patented technology, BEAMFLEX automatically creates a directional Wi-Fi signal on the fly for every client. It does this by activating combinations of individual antenna elements, each working in concert to create the best possible signal path that yields the highest data rate. However, good communication isn't just how well a Wi-Fi access point can talk, it's about how well they listen. Today's mobile devices are smaller than ever, with smaller antennas that diminish upstream performance. To make an access point listen better, the internal noise from electronic components must be controlled and reduced. If you've ever turned up the volume on your stereo without playing music, that's static noise. In Wi-Fi, this system noise results in self-interference. Reducing this interference is essential. It's also essential to be able to listen at different angles. Traditional access points were designed with vertical antennas for devices like laptops that stay in a fixed position. But today's mobile devices are constantly used in any number of different orientations, creating a signal mismatch between the access points and clients. BEAMFLEX solves this with antennas that transmit and receive in both horizontal and vertical orientations to improve the reception of traffic from weaker mobile devices. One of the greatest benefits of BEAMFLEX is that it's inherently compatible with all Wi-Fi technologies. On the other hand, transmit beamforming only provides mild gains in very specific situations. It's only supported by a limited subset of clients, and it does very little to reduce Wi-Fi noise. In addition, the ability to use throughput-enhancing techniques such as spatial multiplexing and multi-user MIMO are in direct conflict with the use of transmit beamforming. Having complete control over communication between the access point and devices has additional technical benefits. To achieve the highest possible throughput, Wi-Fi standards make use of complex techniques like spatial multiplexing and multi-user MIMO. Maximizing these capabilities requires complete control of the signal instead of just blasting Wi-Fi energy in all directions and hoping for the best. BEAMFLEX and other Ruckus optimization technologies deliver, above all else, fast, reliable Wi-Fi service with fewer access points, less networking equipment, and lower ongoing costs. That's simply better wireless.